If you want to learn how to find the right nursing home for your loved one, then get How to Find a Nursing Home, written by someone with real-life experience in this topic. How to Find a Nursing Home is a must-read for anyone who is facing the issue of placing a loved one in a nursing home. In this practical guide, an elder law attorney gives you step-by-step information about how to make the best decisions for your loved one. This guide includes an informative overview which explains how individuals, professional caregivers, and geriatric care managers will benefit from this guide. An explanation of why it is important to conduct your research and have a plan before your loved one needs care. A nursing home worksheet which helps you answer the important medical and financial questions about your loved one before you begin researching for your loved one, which will help you save time and narrow down the available options. An in-depth discussion about finances and how to gauge how long your loved one's assets will last. Insightful information about how to choose a nursing home based upon location, cleanliness, state rating, activities, meals, in-facility doctor access, staff-to-patient ratio, and costs. Specific sources and resources for researching, rating, and comparing nursing home facilities based upon the types of care your loved one needs. A step-by-step process for conducting a site visit of the nursing home facilities you are considering. Information about the types of legal documents your loved one should consider and discuss with an elder law attorney before becoming a nursing home resident. A straightforward discussion about your rights as a loved one and how to avoid being personally responsible for your loved one's nursing home bills. An overview of some common medical issues which may arise while your loved one is a resident, healthcare directives, and do not resuscitate documents.